Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2878th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video is coming at you on a Sunday night for trading Sunday through Monday. Markets aren't open yet, so it's Sunday afternoon. I wanted to show you something. If you remember, my OMNI last week was bearish all week. Then on Thursday night into Friday, it flipped to neutral and told us stop selling. And the market went up Friday. So, what do we have? Nasdaq on the weekly bar. If you'll look at this, and it's here for a reason, you'll note that if we come down to this area, the bottom of this channel, and this average, it holds really well, right? Bottom of the channel, average holds. Bottom of the channel, average holds. Bottom of the channel and the average. It's supposed to hold. Now, add that to this. Remember that we had this crazy 13-week pattern? Well, what happened on Friday was the market rallied all the way back up towards the end of the day and basically settled green. So is this pattern about to take place? The OMNI goes neutral, right? It was bearish, it goes neutral, and now it's bullish for trading on Monday, Sunday night, Monday. So Thursday night to Friday, it flipped from seller of rallies to neutral, and then on Friday afternoon, for Sunday night, Monday, it flips to wanting us to buy. Now, don't forget, we've had this cycle that lasts 12 to 13 weeks, and at the end of that week, you start to change complexion, and the market starts to change direction. We're going to find out today if this green movement on Friday is the beginning of the bar. If so, that means that this repetitive pattern absolutely panned out, and we'll have a strong up week. Now, doesn't mean it's going to happen. We're going to find out. Our stops will be in, right? If we get ourselves long S&P, Nasdaq, or Ross, our sell stops will be in first, as you know, and we'll see where it goes from there. But, hey, traders, this could actually be working out for us. We did see a little bit of a reprieve on Friday. We'll see what's going to happen. The OMNI wants me to buy dips. We've got this 13th bar in place. It is supposed to now become a rally bar. We'll see what happens. So maybe it's a 14-bar cycle, right? Maybe it turned out to be 14. If we rally this week, it went from a 13, 12, 13-bar cycle to a 14-bar. So what? It's still a cycle. We'll find all of this out in the next 48 hours, right? The next 24 is helpful. It goes up for 2 days. We know we're in. Traders, I hope this helps. Just to reiterate what we've been looking at for the last few days, I left you off on Friday showing you that now we've got to wonder if the pattern will work. The OMNI had another great trade on Friday, got everybody short. We got out and sidestepped, and the markets went back up, and we weren't in. So fantastic. All right, traders, I hope this helps. Thank you for joining in. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please leave your comments below. I will reply to each and every one of those. Thank you so much. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.